Shh. I was listening to that. Oh yeah, but the game's on. What game? Tongue's game. Shh. Are you tonguing? Nah, but we are proud Samoans. We are from the village of Muscle. We have the blood of warriors going through our veins. We are Samoans. I just thought you want to watch the game because they're playing Australia. Yeah, okay, turn the game on. Oh. What happened to the blood of the warriors? It's all the same blood. It's positive A. Right, you don't even know. Just turn the game on.
Hey, yes, turn off the TV, but I'm turning it off. Okay. And you? What'd I do? Fix your face. Bruh. Walking in here like you trying to fight me? Huh? You trying to fight me?
Mom, that's just my face.
Ugly face.
Mom, we look the same.
Go tell your brother to go shower.
Alright.
And you? Shut up.
I didn't say anything.
Well, your writing's loud and your nose makes a funny sound when you breathe. Hey! Who told you to turn the TV off?
Bruh.
You did. Turn the TV back on.
Really, nigga?
Hey, babe, wifey. Hey. Oh, baby, I can wait for that day. I wanna get down on one knee. I want Ashley to be my wifey. Oh, let me be your man. You can be my lady. You can be not alone. Oh, nobody needs to know. No spaces on my break the broker. Oh, baby, you can wait. Can you marry me? Oh, can you marry me? Can you marry me? Can you marry me? Marry me, bro. I need a wifey, bro. I y'all step.
Babe, you need help with the groceries? I got it. It's sodas and water bottles. It's big. It's heavy. Too heavy.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no. Hell to the no. To the no.
Babe, go get you some meat.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no. Hell to the no. To the no, no, no.
Hey, partner.
Give me your damn money!
Give me the money. No, shoot me. Shoot me. And partner, tell your hoe to give me her money, boy. Hey, partner, what is she doing?
That's that. I'm about to beat your ass dance.
Hell no. To the no, no.
원래 깽이래. 이었을 바랑이. 이었 바랑이.
What do you want? Huh? What do you want? No, not tea. Tea, no. No, up to you. Me? Yeah, up to you. Oh, okay. But what about the beans? Do you want the beans? No, up to you. What do you want? Up to you.
Do you want the oriented fried rice?
I don't like that.
What do you like then?
Anything you get.
I'm gonna get the chicken rice then.
Up to you.
Do you want the sweet candle?
No, I don't like that.
What do you like?
What you like?
I like the sweet candle.
But I don't want to buy that.
So what do you want?
Whatever you want.
Do you want the toilet paper? Wipe your mouth over there, because your breath stinks.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
When was this? Hey, when? When? No, when did I ask?
Bloody stupid idiot.
And you, I take your everybody, and your stomach, and your nose, and mouth, king. Hey, yo, gaga. Hey, que mga broken lunus. Que mga broken.
Samoan Jokes! Let's go Samoa! I'm not even playing today. What? Second time Lolo. First try. Oh, remember that time when you helped us? Last one? Oh. Wait, who's going for today?
Mate! Obviously Australia, mate.
Yeah.
Look at that, we're gonna score the first try, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, the Aussies, mate. Got it.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, the Aussies, mate. Got it.
Yo, first try! Oh, 4-0,
Told you.
Ain't you wearing that Samoan shirt? Yo!
Yeah, nah, I was actually half Tongan before I started.
He's my cousin.
Yeah.
I'm related to you. Tonga on top.
MMT baby!
MMT baby, I'm a people on the
Sick with it, crew.